inches of snow out on deck here. Pretty hard to walk in. MS Expedition through. This is the real Antarctica. The real Antarctica. Look at how much snow there is. Even built a snowman. Look at the snow on top of the bench. Look at that. Here you go. Look. That's just on top of the bench. It's about 5 inches there. So it's a snowstorm. It's a blizzard. There's a snowman. Complete with carrot. And look at the path we've made through the snow and ice with the boat. It's a winter wonderland. If you want somewhere to spend Christmas, try this. It's November. Nobody cares what month it is. Everyone's posing for photos with the snowman. It's like the main attraction, considering you can't see much of that actually Antarctica because of the snow and the mist and fog in the sky, which is caused by the snow, presumably. Yeah, this is front deck of the boat, and I'm aiming to land soon. Yeah, in Antarctica. Front deck is actually the back, no, the rear of the ship. It's the back of the ship. Smokers area, clear from snow under the cover. Snowstorm.